Hello, we're excited to show you our native speech capabilities. Friends, today I want to ask you a question that can change your entire life. Answer it honestly. If becoming rich only required money, then lottery winners would be the most successful people on earth. If becoming rich only required a degree, then every educated person would be a millionaire. If becoming rich only required hard work, then every laborer would be rich. But that's not the truth, because you become rich first in your mind, and only then in your bank account. This video is not about how to make money. This video is about how to think rich. Remember this, money changes hands, but mindset changes lives. Let me tell you a story. There are two friends, Ram and Sham, born in the same village, studied in the same school, grew up in the same conditions. 15 years later, Ram is still struggling. Sham owns his own company. Why? Luck? Destiny? God? No, my friends. The only difference was thinking. Ram believed, if I get a job, my life is set. Don't take risks. Money is bad. Rich people are dishonest. Sham believed, I can become something. Learning is essential. Money is a tool. No risk, no growth. And that's where the difference begins. Poor mindset says, I don't have money. My situation is bad. What can I even do? Rich people are just lucky. Rich mindset asks, how can I make money? What can I learn? How can I solve problems? Every problem is an opportunity. Poor mindset looks for excuses. Rich mindset finds solutions. Many people say, I earn money, but it never stays. Ever wondered why? Because your mindset is more powerful than your bank balance. Poor mindset, money comes, spends it. Salary comes, EMIs. Extra income, show off. Rich mindset, money comes, invest it. Salary comes, build skills. Extra income, create assets. Money flows where your thinking goes. Rich people spend on learning. Poor people spend on impression. Rich people turn time into money. Poor people just kill time. Rich people build multiple income sources. Poor people depend on one job. Rich people take calculated risks. Poor people fear risk. Rich people turn problems into businesses. Poor people turn problems into complaints. Rich people work for the future. Poor people stay stuck in the present. Rich people trust themselves. Poor people live on others' opinions. Friends, if you don't have money today, don't be sad. The real danger is having a poor mindset, because mindset can be changed, skills can be learned, money can be earned. But if your thinking stays poor, even millions won't make you rich. Today, make a promise to yourself. I will stop blaming circumstances. I will stop cursing my luck. I will keep learning. I will change my thinking. I will build myself. Because remember, you become rich first in your mind and then in your life. If this video touched your mindset, hit like. If you truly want to change your life, subscribe to the channel and comment below, I choose the